Hey, what's going on YouTube? Just another quick video. Today we're going to go over everything wrong with my new 2023 Tesla Model 3 former rental car from Hertz. All right, so let's get started. This car did not come with tint. I did limo tint all the way around. This car did come with hubcaps. I took the hubcaps off and replaced it with these caps from Amazon, around $12. I'll put the link down in the description. Next thing you want to look out for is tires. These tires were brand new. They seem to be brand new, but they are Ironmans. They are extremely loud in the car. All the other Tesla Model 3s had good tires, Michelin and other good brand tires. These are Ironmans iMoves Gen 2s. They are extremely loud in the car, and I don't like them. So all the Model 3s from Hertz are going to come with the hubcaps. And if you look at the edge when the hubcaps are on there, you're going to see all the curb rash. This car has minimal curb rash. It does have some curb rash, but it is pretty minimal. In the front of the car, if you look closely, you'll see some paint repairs right about there. And these front bumpers get pretty beat up. So something to keep in mind, just take a closer look at the front bumpers. A lot of the cars from Hertz are going to come with these stickers. And those stickers are going to be right above repairs that have been made. So a lot of scratches. See, they try to cover it up with some paint. So if you look for these stickers, you'll see some damage that has been done to the cars. I do recommend to get under the car and look under the bumper, and you'll see a bunch of damage, and sometimes you'll see the plastic protectors that are pretty beat up. So you'll see here we have some damage there, but you can't really see it from just standing above the car. You also want to take a look at the bottom rear of the car. A lot of the cars were missing this panel here, and mine came with it. So you may be able to take it off of another Model 3 and put it on your car if they let you. I can't really get the camera down there to show you guys, but one of the things you want to look at is the battery pack. You want to make sure that there's no damage or major damage on that battery pack. So you're going to have to get on your knees to look under the car and make sure that your battery pack has no damage. So this Model 3 did not come with the original windshield. You will be able to tell because it will have a different name right about here, and it won't say Tesla. So this one is an aftermarket windshield that already has some little rock chips all over the place. So that is something else that you want to look for, is the windshield. How damaged is the windshield? So on the side of the car, you may see a lot of scratches that can be repaired with a paint pen. All the Teslas that were for sale at Hertz had a lot of damage to the rear bumper of the car from loading and unloading luggage, or maybe backing up into things. You'll see that the rear bumper is pretty beat up. Not sure if you can see it on the camera. We're going to open the trunk up, and even the plastics back here, all of the plastics are all beat up. And as you can see, it's still very dirty. And we'll get into that in a little bit. So another thing wrong with this car is the charger door. You can see it sits a little bit higher, so it's not flush. It doesn't affect the door, so it opens and closes just fine. This Tesla did not come with the original charger, so this is what they gave me, a level 1 Electron 15 amp portable EV charger. And they also gave me this charging adapter that you will need if you're not charging on the Tesla network. All right, so the next thing wrong with this car was wind noise. A lot of wind noise seemed to be coming from this top window here, and all I did was clean this off really good, this rubber piece here, and then I bought this foam. See if you can see it there. Bought this foam and stuck it in there so it pushes out this rubber piece a little bit from Home Depot, and it fixed the problem. So no more wind noise. And it doesn't look too good in there, but it does the job. So this car was very poorly detailed. It had a lot of crumbs in the middle of the creases here. The cup holders were dirty. The bottom here, it did not come with any floor mats, and it did come with a plastic protector on it. And when I lifted the protector up, it smelled like vomit. A strong, very strong smell of vomit. So I did have to shampoo the whole car, and after that the smell did go away. So if you are going to buy a Tesla from Hertz, make sure you pull up the plastics and do a sniff test. If it doesn't smell too good, I would probably have them detail it. Next thing wrong with this car is that this panel here has a gash, so you can see. And I'm able to get this whole side piece here on eBay for about $100. But that's $100 that I don't want to spend. All right, guys, so I don't know if this is normal, but this is on the rear view mirror. It's going to have some chips here. You'll see one on the bottom. There's another one here. Let's see if we can, not sure if you can see it, but there's one right about there. So the rear view mirror has a few chips. Not a big deal. Center console, this thing here is a little bit scratched, a little bit abused. Not too bad. This Tesla only did come with one key, but you can always order another key on Amazon, and it's pretty easy to program. All of the seats had minimal wear and tear, but the one here on the driver's side, every time you get up, it does a clicking sound here on the side. So I'm not sure if that's normal, but it does get annoying after a while. All right, so you've made it this far. I'm going to show you how much I paid for this car. I paid $24,608, and it had 55,646 miles. If you go to the Hertz car sales website, you can get similar deals right now, actually better deals. You can get a 2023 for $22,890, and it has less than 40,000 miles. You can also get one for $21,000 with 50,000 miles. So right now they have way better deals than when I got my car, which sucks. So I bought mine for $24,608, and I'm also going to get a $4,000 rebate from SoCal Edison. So let me know in the comments below if you think I got a good deal. So something to keep in mind if you are going to purchase a car from Hertz, these cars were prior rentals, so they are not going to be perfect. I do recommend to come in with your own financing, so go to your local credit union and get pre-approved. You will get a better rate if you do that. That is all I have for today. If this video was slightly helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and consider supporting the channel by subscribing. Thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys next time.